Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste any image in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see copy and paste image. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now click. Now we can see, then we find our picture. Now we select from picture. Now click for open option. That it's. Now you can see copy and paste in picture. Now we can see, now click from layer, going to the mouse right button, then click from duplicate layer. Now move the image. That it's. Now you can see copy and paste image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.